If you're a passionate cook, or simply someone who enjoys preparing home-cooked meals with minimal effort, the Tiborang 8-in-1 multi-purpose non-stick frying pan is the kitchen upgrade you've been waiting for. This versatile, high-quality pan promises to not only save you time, but also provide excellent results, whether you're sautéing, frying, steaming, or even baking. With its sleek design and innovative features, this pan is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cooking experience. Let's dive into what makes the Tiborang non-stick frying pan stand out from the rest. Why this frying pan is a must-have for every kitchen. Unmatched versatility. The Tiborang 8-in-1 multi-purpose frying pan is more than just a regular frying pan. This all-in-one wonder is designed to cater to a wide range of cooking techniques. Deep frying. Enjoy crispy, golden brown fries and crispy chicken with ease. Light pressure cooking. Cut down your cooking time by up to 50% compared to traditional cooking methods. Steaming and stewing. Use the included steaming grid to prepare tender, moist foods without the need for a separate steamer. Boiling and decocting. From soups to broths, this pan delivers evenly heated meals every time. Stir frying. Perfect for quick stir fries with minimal oil. Baking and roasting. Yes, you can even bake in it, thanks to the oven-safe design up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Rice cooking. Prepare fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with no sticking. Its ability to replace multiple kitchen gadgets such as deep fryers, skillets, and saucepans makes it the ultimate solution for a minimalist kitchen. Non-stick, non-toxic coating. Say goodbye to stubborn, stuck-on food. The Tiborang frying pan features a high-quality titanium coating that ensures an effortlessly non-stick surface. Whether you're cooking delicate eggs, sautéing vegetables, or frying your favorite meats, the food slides right off without the need for oils or butter. Plus, this coating is PFOA-free, PTFE-free, PFAS-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free, so you can cook with peace of mind, knowing it's safe for you and your family. The surface is designed for easy cleaning, allowing you to simply wipe it down with a damp cloth or place it in the dishwasher. Faster cooking, more flavor. This frying pan comes with a micro pressure valve that speeds up cooking times by 40–50% compared to traditional pans. The valve locks in moisture and enhances the flavor, ensuring your meals are more tender and juicy, even when under pressure. Imagine having a flavorful stew or tender meat dish ready in half the time, perfect for busy weeknights. Durability that lasts. Built with hard anodized aluminum, this pan is not only durable, but also lightweight compared to cast iron or stainless steel pans. The 5-layer induction steel plate ensures that heat is distributed evenly across the pan, so your food cooks perfectly every time. It's suitable for use on all stovetops, including induction, and can withstand the heat of an oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, excluding the lid and handle. Whether you're making a quick stir-fry or a slow-roasted dish, this pan handles it all. Ergonomic, detachable handle for easy storage. One of the standout features of this pan is its detachable handle. No more struggling to fit bulky pans into your kitchen cabinets. The ergonomic handle is easy to remove, saving precious storage space, and it's designed to stay cool even when the pan is heated. The included temperature indicator changes color from red to white when the oil temperature exceeds 150 degrees Celsius, so you always know when the pan is perfectly heated for optimal cooking. Sleek and stylish design. Not only is this frying pan a powerhouse in functionality, but it also brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The diamond patterned body and a gorgeous crown design on the lid make this pan a visual delight. Whether you're cooking or displaying it, this pan adds a premium touch to any kitchen decor. It's also a fantastic gift for housewarming parties, weddings, or special occasions. The perfect size for family meals. With its 5-quart capacity and deep design, the Tiborang frying pan is the perfect size for preparing meals for families of 4 to 6 people. No need to worry about oil splatters or cooking in batches. This pan can handle it all, making it ideal for family dinners and meal prepping. Why you should buy the Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pan today. Whether you're an aspiring chef, a busy parent, or someone who loves to cook, the Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pan is designed to make your cooking experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. It replaces multiple cookware pieces and can handle nearly every cooking technique with ease. Plus, its sleek design and user-friendly features will help you create mouth-watering meals without the hassle. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.